Honourable members, I would like to inform you that the Honourable Governor will not be able to address the gatherings, the House, standing due to his health concerns. And he will also be speaking in Hindi. May I now request the Honourable Governor of Meghalaya to kindly address the House.
श्रीमान स्पीकर महोदय और मेघालय विधानसभा के माननीय सदस्यगण, 11वीं मेघालय विधानसभा के सभी नवनिर्वाचित सदस्यों को मेरी हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामना। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप हमारे खूबसूरत राज्य के लोगों की सेवा में खुद को समर्पित करेंगे।
May I ask the honourable member to sit down, please, not to interrupt the governor's address.
Speak and voice the sentiment of the people, sir. So I think it will be better if you allow me to submit a few submissions. Sir, if we go according to the Rule 28 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in this August House, it speaks about the language of the Assembly. And here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the Assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the Governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. Sir, the government of India did not pay any heed to the demand of the state for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, thereby depriving us in various ways. So, sir, I want to appeal to you, sir, that the governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir. I don't want that we will proceed. We have to start shouting slogan if the governor continue to address us in Hindi, sir.
I will allow this House to, the governor will be addressing in Hindi, so I think we should let it go.
Strong exception to this, and we strongly condemn. We strongly condemn. This is against the sentiment of the people of the state, sir.
Mr.
As
Speaker,
a party, we truly represent the voice of the people, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
This is very, I think, on this issue,
I request the honourable member.
Just let me complete. On this issue, I feel there should be no opposition, no ruling. We should stand united as one.
Standing, all the members are requested.
So I hear because of the toil and sweat of the people and the leaders of the state.
When the chair is
We
on
just
his
not
feet,
get the state
when the
simple
chair
as
is
that,
on his
sir.
feet, all the members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on his feet, nobody else stands.
आप सभी इस परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने और सदन की गरिमा को बनाए रखने का आग्रह करता हूं। राज्य के सभी क्षेत्रों में सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के संवैधानिक मैंडेट के अनुसार सरकार बेहतर शासन के माध्यम से राज्य की बहुमुखी प्रगत लोगों के जीवन स्तर में
Government of India to impose on us the language. No, we will not allow this. Down, down. We condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior that is expected of an elected member. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior expected of the elected member. The Honourable Speaker, the Honourable Governor is addressing the House.
Stop the governor.
The Honourable
No, we are
Governor is
not
addressing the
misbehaving.
House.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the state.
This is not the kind of
This
behavior
is
that
against
is expected
sentiment of the people.
of elected members.
The people of the state will not accept to be imposed. Language to be imposed on us.
Sir, the rules are
I
very
don't
clear.
understand what you are talking in Hindi.
Rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the House, the honourable members...
No. This is a
Honourable
design
members
from the
can-
government of India to
Well,
start
there are
imposing on the
restrictions.
states.
If an individual is not
we know
able
what
to
is the
read
design.
English, then we cannot
No,
impose
sir.
it on the individual.
We will not allow
The
this.
written speech has been circulated in the House.
Yes,
And
but
therefore,
it
since
should
the
be
written speech
transacted
is
in English.
circulated in the House,
The rule is clear. The
so
rule is
therefore,
clear.
yes, and the rule also says
Rule
that
is
the written
clear.
speech should be given. Mr. Speaker, sir, I request that this kind of behavior should not be admitted. This is not the way the Honorable Governor
government
is
will have to
addressing the
think
House.
from now on.
This is not the kind of behavior that's expected of elected members. The written speech has been circulated
have to
to
do
everybody.
anything.
And there is no reason why this
Self-respect
issue
of the
should be
state
made.
and its people is
If an
more
individual
important, we
has
cannot
got
compromise.
certain limitations in terms of not being able to speak or read a particular language, then we have to allow, because the written speech has been circulated. It is not that the Honorable Governor
No,
is
we should
speaking,
allow this to become a
is speaking
tradition.
only because he wants
Addressing
to
the
speak.
Meghalaya Legislative
He is
Assembly by
able to
Hindi.
read Hindi, he is not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that we should make
have
this
to
an issue.
understand that Meghalaya
He is
is
not
not a
doing it
Hindi-speaking
because he
state.
wants to do it. He is doing it because he has limitations of
Meghalaya
reading,
is not a Hindi-speaking
not in
state.
English, but in Hindi. And therefore, the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English. And hence, as a respect, this is very, very sad to see that a disrespect like this
Maybe
is being
sad, but
done
the people is
to
happy
the member, to
when
the
they see
Honorable
us
Governor of the
raising
House.
the sentiment of the
Therefore-
people before the House.
Therefore, it's very sad, and I request the members
We
not
respect
to,
the people
not
who
to-
elected us.
not to bring out an
We
issue
know
like
this
this.
is against the
This is not
sentiment of the
way.
people of the state. The people of the state have not given us the mandate
please sit down,
to
please?
speak in Hindi in
Would you
this
please
House.
sit down? Would you please take your seat? Would you please take your seat? Would you please take your seat? Since the translated version is circulated to all the members, and our Honorable Governor has certain limitations, so I will allow our Honorable Governor to speak in Hindi, and the translated version, English version, is circulated to all the members. And I request the members to kindly bear with the House and also show decorum of the House, not to shout while the Honorable Governor is making his Governor's address. So I would request once again to all the members to please bear with the House and kindly listen to the Governor's address. Otherwise, I will.
Sending Hindi-speaking governors to us. We don't understand what they're talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.
Hadian ke jimbino na ke dorbar mangtengka kum ke jingpersya yulat ke jela Meghalaya upa guhucuan ubalakran da ktien Hindi hak Khasi sedang ke dorbar mangtengka ke yeng dorbar thawain ke jela hak step ka arpo trik luber arjar fulai ud khot ke yeng na nongkrem upa Ardent bila beseomoj lem ke meli ke Voice of the People Party VPP kilaong bakani ka pen I ya ke jingbam burom ya kinong ilam ke blai khun ban penyo ya ke jela Meghalaya bapura habakran siglar pthai khubor upa Ardent labu jingkeliru ba ke jingdawa pynrung ya ktien Khasi bat Garo kadang sakut rei balei la pynshlur ban kren da ktien Hindi
Ngatrai pila yo snow ya ke bangi kren tu ngi mi ha ya kani ke jingkren ke jong governor da ktien Hindi nomor ba ngidang ele kapala bani khun ban prio ya ktien Khasi ko official language Nrei ke government of India kam patiao ka pha maningi ni governor ke bakran da Hindi ke bangi me suthu suthaw ngi kren ki Hey, telah kita orang berkila circulate dengan English version, terpilih governor pinstol milih banwan. Wali bersong hiye, labiang circulate kini labiang balik fiwi sekapor kerja. Bersong tu, di kita ban sengap yang kecil kebangi ingin soto. Ban ini ban kelat bagi pajak bagi nongelam. Kebaya ki ban penyo ya ke state lejong. Kadang tang nama ba ke sorkar asam ke persang ban pelong ke asli ke official language. Tenang kata-kata apa nak ban insult. Ya gitu ki leaders. Ki bala ya khon bai ki pat ba kani dai ke jingni bangim don ka burom ma it shows our complete disrespect ya ki to ki pat ba ki no lang ki bala khon ban prio against state kani ke stand to Voice of the People Party because sum ka party ngi yang ka norim ka pat ba kwa te ngi le ke bu pat ba ku inti ngi bagi de ini sementara ma ngi ayo ya kani ka address ini sementara mereka protes kini tolong balik be kuan ban kren dan ktien Hindi ya assembly tangga ta Very simple reason. He kejio pun ban pynrung ya ktien Khasi hake ichiri kade kejio pun bayai. Bat ngir kum ka parti ngin budien bakande gawai ni issue ka bagi ngin shimkia. Kumno bangin yo ya kejio thu official language.
Tekai ke banja pada laya menta ki hapo house ki wan pengkan dak hindi.
Kade kata kan ka bagi ni persyak. Kade kata ka daw ka bagi persyak aga jaka ba pin aino pin kentup no ya ktien Khasi ba Garo ba ka ichiri bahkan kalau ka official language pynshlur man ni kejing kren hindi kabo pani bahkan poi ka porba kejing khin ti jing bengin yo ya ka ktien Khasi ka official language kan poi ki hre kejing so jing ro mangin pawi ka jing persya buni governor untuk pangin yem pedang ya kan kejing kren ju